What if you can take the concept of a meme generator and convert it into a marketing tool? In fact, a marketing tool that can go viral, that can produce viral content. That is really what MemeMafia is all about. The founder has really put a stake in the ground and carved out target customers, so which is great. For the MemeMafia, the customer is really a SaaS business owner. Okay. Now, whether this proves to be a strong customer hold in the marketplace or not, that is yet to be discovered. But given where the app is right now in the beta stage. It's yet to be launched officially. So there's a lot of ground to be covered here, a lot of things to be done in terms of traction and so on. Based on my preliminary review, I've decided to break this video into two parts. Part one, I'll be doing a simplistic version of jobs to be done. And in the part two, I'll be doing the advanced version of what a solo founder will be looking for. And that's really where the real kicker will come in. Like some of the benefits, some of the hard criticisms will land. There are three jobs that fall under the core loop of creating viral content. As a founder, my primary job is to create a meme content, share the meme content, and number three, see if the content goes viral. Three jobs. As a founder, I'm interested in creating marketing content to go viral, or to actually do a bit of an outreach, or to create a brand equity or brand awareness in the social media platforms, right? Now, I see this, I land on the web page, and the web page actually is put together quite well. I really have to appreciate the founding team because they've given a lot of thought into how it should flow, not just the user experience, but just the language, the design, the fonts, and also the playfulness that comes along with it. Because it is meme and it is generic humor, it is internet humor, there's a little bit of playfulness in the way the language is done. So kudos to that. Now, the most important thing from me as a founder, as a customer, can I be inspired? Can I trust this website? I think that from a trustworthy point of view, this website does a few things very well. Like in terms of captivating work, great. Interactive demo, there is a bit of that. Then it actually gives me a reason why memes should be trusted more than other forms of content. Great. How it works, awesome. And then built for viral founders. This section is really good. I do have some thoughts about it, but I'll come back to it later. So overall, it's good. I normally don't go into pricing because pricing can change as the product gets bigger and bigger. So let's ignore that for the time being. Focus on the primary core job, which is I'm here, I want to create my first meme that I can share to the outside world, right? That's my only intent here. So I'm going to try out sarobuilds.com, and my intention is to get a set of memes generated. That's all I'm looking for. That is my expectation. Okay, generate my memes. I am blocked with the email gate. Let me explain why email gate is a real issue here. Now, if you look at well put together sites, there are obviously there's more than one way to do this, but I take the point of view that email gates at this stage when you're really ramping up, you're just yet to discover your first set of customers. And especially when the customer is really on the job completion path to getting the memes done, if you throw in the email gate, that actually comes out as frictional. This is really the reason why conversion can significantly drop. This is one of the many reasons why conversion drops. Now, if you are interested in further information about why email gate is discouraged and what is a better way to get emails from the customer, because I understand what the intent is really, right? Follow this video, which I'm going to link at the top, right? I want to take a pass at this only because the app claims that it can create viral memes. Well, where is the proof for that? How are you going to substantiate the claim that the meme is going to get viral? Are we Can I see some stats? Is there backend analytics? Am I going to be able to see impression metrics, engagement ratios, click through rates, and so on? Now, I know there's a lot to take in, and I know there's a lot for an MVP product, but the only reason I'm bringing this up is this is something to evaluate. The app is making a bold claim at this point where it can create viral memes. When virality depends a lot on the platform, on the audience, on the content, and there's a lot of variables here. So, just something to keep in mind. MemeMafia does a really good job in terms of nailing the core job loop for its current status, it being an MVP. In terms of being able to create a meme, share a meme, and customize a meme. Now, as I look beyond that, there are some bigger problem areas. One, positioning, and number two, creating the meme that matches the brand's voice. And those are the problem areas that I think that will clearly differentiate this tool just being a fun tool, a fun meme generator tool, and a $15 serious meme generator tool that B2B SaaS founders will start using.